Hi, this is Ms. Rossi with your lab preview for modeling the lunar phases. With your class, you will be modeling the lunar phases with Earth view and space view using the Sun, Earth, Moon board. Your group will have 8 rods, 1 moon, 1 Earth on a tilted rod, and your group will also have a flashlight, and your flashlight is only to be pointed at the board. It's not to be pointed anywhere else. You will also need a copy of the student sheet, 2 identical copies of Modeling the Lunar Phases, a pair of scissors and a pencil, and a copy of your textbook. Let's begin the preview of what you will be doing during the lab. If you need to set up the Sun, Earth, Moon board, there are pegs of all different sizes, and they have numbers on them. So put the numbers in the correct spot. And the moon, do not force it, will start at position 1. You always want to have 1 closest to you. And then you will shine your flashlight in a darkened room parallel to the moon. You will also be working on 2 worksheets. Student sheet 1 is going to talk about the model and what you see from the model. And student sheet 2 is your recording sheet. So turn the flashlight on and hold it parallel to the moon in position 1. And draw what you see. So this means you're going to be shading in the shadow. And then put the flashlight down and move the moon to position 2. Draw what you see. Move the moon to position 3. Draw what you see. Move the moon to position 4. Draw what you see. Move the moon to position 5. Draw what you see. Move the moon to position 6. Draw what you see. Move the moon to position 7. Draw what you see. Move the moon to position 8. Draw what you see. A hint while you are completing student sheet 2, page 41 in your textbook will help you a lot. Be sure to pay attention to figure 2.4. When you are all done, you need to figure out the names of the moon's phases. So turn to page 43 in your textbook and you'll write the names of the lunar phases. So I'll give you a hint. The very first phase is a new moon. And then all of your moon phases will be shaded in and named. I'm not going to give you the answers in this video. And then I need you to duplicate your answers onto another sheet, so you should have 2 identical sheets. The next thing you'll do is you are going to cut out on the dark lines. So we are going to create the Earth view. So what we did when we were using the model was we looked at space view. But most of the time you guys are on Earth, so let's see what the lunar phases look like from Earth. So this view will give us what Earth view looks like. So you can see that new moon is all dark, and we'll see from your cutout what all the lunar phases look like on Earth view. And then this sheet, which you can keep intact, will be space view. So this is space view and Earth view. And these can get glued into your science notebook.